Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone, you can use adjusters. The touch area is located at the back side of each earbud, so right here at the left earbud we have Philips and this wheel, and at the right earbud we have Fidelio and this wheel. This one is touch areas. And with them you can turn off or turn on, you can play or pause the song, you can play next track, you can call voice assistant, you can answer or finish the call. So it's a good one. Next one, these earbuds have ANC, what means Active Noise Cancellation, and I like this mod. You can enable it by a gesture or in the application. So right here we have it, and in the application you can also manage it. So you can, by default it uses a high level of ANC, but you can choose a low one or wind noise reduction, click done, and now you use this mode. Next, if you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds. You can enable transparency mode, and in transparency mode again we also have we can manage it, so we can use a voice mode or we can lower transparency or increase it in the application, or you can use adaptive mode and it will change ambient sound depend of your background. If you want to improve your listening experience, you can change equalizer presets. So right here in the application we have sound effects. You just tap on them, we need to enable it of course, and then we have 4 preset. Here's bass boost, this is my favorite mode, so I use this one, but you can also use something else. Next, this is a trick only for Android user, because this earbuds support LDAC. What mean high resolution audio codec. Not all Android phones support it, but Apple devices didn't support at all. So as you can see, I use AC on Apple because no high resolution audio codec for your iPhone. And you can enable, you need to go to the settings. I don't have it because I have iOS, but at the top you will see LDAC, so you need to just enable it and use it. Next, right here near to the LDAC we have Multipoint connection, so this means dual connection, and you can connect 2 devices to your earbuds simultaneously, and I guess it's a good one. Now, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily perform a factory reset. You need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then press 2 times connectional button located inside the charging case. Then you need to reconnect them and you can fix a lot of trouble with your earbuds. If you still don't know how to do this, this channel I have a video about it, so you can check it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!